Welcome everyone. This video will be a very short description of how you can use efficiently Grammarly on your phone or your PC. First of all, go to grammarly.com and I opened it here. So you can see the interface here. Like this will be your basic interface. You have to sign in, and then there are some of my files already existing. If you want to edit one of your file from Word or any other text document, just go to this new document and paste that document. Okay, so I have already copied it and now I will paste the document. So I usually like to go with the default ones. Okay, so here we are. So as you can see, these yellow mark lines, these lines are actually the suggestions given by Grammarly. These are either spelling errors or punctuation errors or grammatical errors, or it can be any kind of error which Grammarly thinks we can improve. So let's see how we can go. First of all, click on this one. Okay, first of all, remove this back to session. Okay, so click on this accustomed one, and then Grammarly is saying that we can change the accustomed to accustomed. This is actually a spelling error, so it will say why this is misspelled or why this is wrong. It will also give you suggestions like that. Okay, so you can see that it is already corrected, and after that just click on this one and you can see whether you want to change that or not. If you want to change, just press on this one. Okay, so you can directly click here or you can just go one by one and then change it. Okay, so now we are done with the basic editing errors. So Grammarly saying that my overall score is 80 and my correctness is looking good, clarity very clear, engagement very engaging, the delivery is slightly off. These are basically the suggestions given by Grammarly. So there are some premium suggestions, like if we want to correct more correct in more detail, like unclear sentences, incomplete sentences, intricate text, we can go premium and do it. So it will automatically save this one for now. For the time being, I am happy with this version, so I don't need the premium suggestions. So I'll just let it be here. So we don't need any more. So we don't need to save it additionally. It is already saved. Just go back. You can see that. Yeah, okay. So here it is the file. Thank you.